bits and bytes in a fragile dance. Motherboard whispers in a trance. Screws and cables find their place. Wires weave in an electric embrace. CPU nestle calm and tight. Fans start to hum in soft twilight. RAM clicks in with gentle care. Dream machine we're building here. Piece by piece we'll make it whole. Computer with a heart and soul. Silent hum of crafted art. Together we create and start. Oh. Graphics card slides into its spot. A symphony of parts we've got. Hard drive spinning tales untold. Memory of future world. Piece by piece we'll make it whole. Computer with a heart and soul. Oh. Silent hum of crafted art. Together we create and start. Oh. In the glow of the screen's soft light, glimpse the stars in endless night. Oh. Dreams coded in lines of flare. With our hands we place them there. Oh. In a room so softly lit, parts and pieces bit by bit. MSI to start the show. Gigabyte our data flow. Intel brain, it knows the game. Kingston memory takes the frame. Just go speed through every lane. Cooler Master temp the flame. Piece by piece we build our might. Each component fitting right. The quick fan, it whispers low. Assembling dreams, now let them flow. Cables tangled, fingers crossed. No directions, nothing lost. Every click, a silent cheer. Ringing circuits, drawing near. Screw it in and set it tight. RGB, a neon light. Power on and hear the hum. World of pixels yet to come. Piece by piece we build our might. Each component fitting right. The quick fan, it whispers low. Assembling dreams, now let them flow. Bits and bytes in a fragile dance. Motherboard whispers in a trance. Screws and cables find their place, wires weave in an electric embrace. CPU nestled calm and tight, fans start to hum in soft twilight. RAM clicks in with gentle care, dream machine we're building here. Piece by piece we'll make it whole, a computer with a heart and soul. Silent home of crafted art, together we create and start. Graphics card slides into its spot, a symphony of parts we've got. Hard drive spinning, tales untold, memory of future world. Piece by piece we'll make it whole, a computer with a heart and soul. Silent hum of crafted art, together we create and start. In the glow of the screen's soft light, glimpse the stars in endless night. Dreams coded in lines of flare, with our hands we place them there. Piece by piece we'll make it whole, a computer with a heart and soul. Silent hum of crafted art, together we create and start. Graphics card slides into its spot, a symphony of parts we've got. Hard drive spinning, tales untold, together we create and start. Graphics card slides into its spot, a symphony of parts we've got. Hard drive spinning, tales untold, memory of future